Spare. See, now you can't cheat. See, get it. Ready? Let's go back this way. Give me this. Ready? Go. Now we're going. Now, oh yeah. Now you are cheating. Look at that. You have four-wheel drive in the water. Go. Four-wheel drive in the water, boy. Ah, look, you punched a hole in her head. Look, it's got a hole in the head. Careful, don't slip. Here. Come on, let's play this piece. Come on. Here, come on. You're cheating already. You're a cheater. You're just a cheater, dog. You're a cheater. Come here, you cheater. Are you Dad's puppy, huh? Let me see. Come here. Come here. Hey. Unless you know your dog really, really well, and you have a good trust with that dog, you do not do that, because you're liable to get your face bit. Panda would never bite me no matter what I do to her. It doesn't matter, we're buddies. She trusts me 100%, and I trust her the same. Ah, come on, in the water, and she's strong. I don't know where the head went, though. Where's the head, Panda? Well, I got it. Here. Come on, let's go here. Come on. Here. Go get the head. Oh, put it back on. All right, come on. Now here. Come on, let's play catch. Come on. We're going to play race. Come on. Come here. Hey, come here. Panda, come here. Let's play race. Come here. Hey, you turd. Confused it, huh? Hey, here. Oh, you going in with your mouth open? I told you about doing that. Okay, come here.